front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Then scroll down again, click on Face Unlock, and enter your current login method. Following that, tap on More at the bottom right corner, hit Agree, tap on Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!